Khan Academy, Divide Decimals. We're working on the subtopic Estimating with Dividing Decimals. 15 divided by 2.57. So for this one, I'm going to think about, okay, 2.57 is really close to 3. Remember, with estimating, the goal is that you want to try to be able to do this in your head. Okay, so we're rounding our number to an easier number to be able to do in my head. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 40,182 divided by 2. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to think about this as just 40,000 because 40,182 is really close to just 40,000 divided by 2. Well, I know 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then I would have my my zeros, to make it 20,000. So my answer here would be 20,000, which is letter D. 6.13 divided by 3. So I'm going to change that 6.13 and I'm going to think about it as a 6. And then I know 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2,000 divided by 3.67. So 3.67, I'm going to round. When I think about those with decimals, I think about like the money. So $3.67 would be really close to $4. So then to solve this, I'm going to do 20 divided by 4 is 5, and then I have my 2 zeros. So 20,000 divided by 4 is 500. 209, I'm going to round that. It's really close to 200. And then divided by 3. And then this is where it gets a little bit tricky because when I try to do 200 divided by 3, that's not going to come out and work out well. So that's where I go back and say, oh, you know what? 209 is actually really close to 210. And if I do 210 divided by 3, then I can look at this. 21 divided by 3 is 7, and then I have my 0, so 70 would be my final answer. 49.87 would be really close to 50, and 50 divided by 10 is 5. 5,860 divided by 2.1. Well, I know I'm going to change my 2.1 to a 2. And then my 5,860, I want something that's going to be easy to divide by 2. So I'm going to change that to 6,000. So 6,000 divided by 2 would be 3,000.